walking beam reheating furnaces, ceiling materials face repeated thermal shocks at 1100 to 1250 degrees Celsius and continuous vibration. Conventional fiber ropes often become brittle or break, causing heat leakage and higher maintenance. CCEWOOL ceramic fiber ropes are engineered for these harsh conditions, delivering durable and reliable ceiling performance.
CCEWOOL ceramic fiber ropes use high-purity alumina and silica, helping the fibers stay flexible and resist brittleness under long-term high temperatures and repeated thermal shocks. High-speed fiberizing produces fine, uniform fibers that disperse thermal stress and prevent cracking or powdering during heating and cooling cycles. A three-dimensional braided structure provides cushioning and quick rebound, keeping the seal stable during door movement, furnace expansion, and temperature changes. Stainless steel reinforcement increases strength and wear resistance, ensuring the rope stays intact under vibration and friction. CCEWOOL's intelligent manufacturing system keeps density and structure consistent, ensuring reliable thermal shock performance in every meter of rope.
CCEWOOL fiber ropes stay flexible and intact after thousands of thermal shock cycles. Furnace door seals last longer, heat leakage drops, shell temperatures fall, and overall heat loss decreases by about 10–12%, extending maintenance cycles and improving efficiency.
CCEWOOL fiber ropes stay flexible and intact after thousands of thermal shock cycles. Furnace door seals no longer powder or peel, heat leakage drops, the furnace shell runs cooler, and total heat loss decreases by about 10–12%. Maintenance cycles are longer, and operation becomes more stable and energy efficient. CC Fire Insulating Fire Bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000, CCEWOOL High Temperature Insulation Wool, RCF LBP PCW including blankets, boards, boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.